Right then, so I'm thinking starting off with a bit of raw sienna. Dip the edges in just to bring the edge back together, and then a bit of crimson and ultramarine. Let's push that in something like that. I'm trying to preserve a light area in the middle of the sky. I'm brush this all the way down to the bottom, and already I'm thinking I might need to re-wet this at some point and continue with a few more colours over the top. I'll see how it goes. But for now, I just need a few darker bits in there. I'll take a little bit of tissue. Create a bit more texture up in the sky area. A few little clouds and things popping on. What I might do, I think I'm going to re-wet it, but I'm just going to pop in the land mass first, just so it's there. I've got something to work to. Let's go another one a little bit closer. Oh, let's just get that flat against the board. Give that a quick dry. That sort of fix that in place. Now what I want to do is do a similar sort of thing, but because that's already fixed in place, it'll sort of just make it look a bit more loose and dramatic and effective. So again, same sort of thing, pop in the raw sienna. Introducing the blue. Tissue work up there. do is just lighten this area just a little bit. A bit of cloud. I don't know if I've actually made it better or worse, to be honest with you, but I'm gonna pop this landmass up here and just see what I end up with. I think one of the problems I have with these sorts of paintings when they need this flat brush here because I can't get a sharp edge with my Hake brush. I need to get a new one really, it's getting a bit too worn now, so I'll just have to switch to this flat brush just to get the sharps. Sort of come down and do some nice sharp edges down there. Again, let's make sure that's just flat against the board. Bring this mass of land right down into the foreground. I have to switch to this flat again because I can't get a sharp edge. And then I'm going to start popping in a few little cliffs and things there. Let's just see what this looks like first. We start something like that. Quick dry. quick spray. A little bit more loose in. I want to darken all this now. It's raining outside, so you can still hear me above the rain just hitting the roof. Let's see what I can do with this. Dry on that side. Now what I want somewhere up there is a boat. First, just the odd pebble here and there. Right, I'm just going to switch to the little flat brush now. Just mix the same colours together. Ultramarine, alizarin crimson, Payne's grey. What I want is something just here. A little reflection. Gives it a little focal point. I think I'm nearly done. I'll just pop in some little seagulls down there. I think that should be pretty much it, I think. I'm just going to sign this in a bit of red. Sign it in the corner and call that one done. So let's stick a mount on it and see what we've got. So these are the finished painting the mounts. We're going to have a closer look at it. You see the sky just really having a complete free-for-all with the colour really. We've got sort of raw sienna as the light, and then coming through into the darks we've got sort of variations on alizarin crimson, Payne's grey, and ultramarine. So those colours then reflected down into there. I'm not entirely happy with the bottom third of the paint. I think I could have made a bit better job with that, to be honest with you. Just about make up some sort of distant landmass, and then in the front of that I've just created these rocks, just scraping out with a plastic card. I did it, I'm right-handed, but I did them left-handed because that way it sort of catches the light coming from up in the sky there, and you see automatically get shadow on the left-hand side. Seems to work quite well. Centre stage, you've got a simple little boat with a mass, and then don't forget to just pop the reflections in as well to create that impression of water. Did scrape the odd little bit in the foreground, just to suggest like little pebbles or something, just catching the light from the sky. And then finally our little birds up there, just sailing over the sea. So that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks as always for watching and support. Keep posting your paintings on the community page. Great to see what everyone's up to. If you've got any questions, please ask. Keep practicing, and I'll see you again soon.